Yeah, let's continue where we left off on the previous video. I didn't change anything, everything is same. We will solve the problem in grouped shapes, like Michigan, like Hawaii. We will make some changes in the macro to fix this. Go to VF Code and open macro interface, Visual Basic interface. First, let's do coloring process. It's better. Actually, it is easy too. Let's create one A variant for it, a variable. A cells 1 value. The value in cell A1 is equal to A. You will understand why we're making this. Cells. Let's write our code to color. Active sheet shapes A. Here's the process I have done. The value contained in the A must be matched to the shape name. We can write such code in a very short way. Fill for color RGB. Let's say VB black. VB black, yeah. Since the code changes the value A whenever it's triggered, the code is working dynamically. I'm just checking, is everything alright? Okay, let's try it now. Look, where do I click to become black? It works. But we have too many problems. But right now it's not what we want, because I just wanted to state I choose to be black. We need to do some editing to do that. Some more editing, yeah. But it's easy too, don't worry about it. Open the Visual Basic interface again. We have to make arrangements for multiple shapes like Hawaii, like Michigan, like New York. First of all, we solve these problems. Select all and read again. If cells 1 or we can say if A if A H1. Let's check if A is one of the forms that make none or H. Hawaii has 8 different shapes, as you remember, or a H4 and a H5 or H6 or H7. It's not too much, it's very easy. And the last one, H8. Then what we forgot to make this. Yes, it's the if code block in the macros. We will use it very often. When we click of any shapes that makes up the states of Hawaii, we will see in the A1 cell HI. But it doesn't work for now because we didn't just make it. Let's make let's redden all again. Go to Visual Basic interface and one more code. Then cells 1 1. When you click on any shape of Hawaiian state, need to write HI to the cell A1. That's why we are making this code. Why we are typing this code. We will write a line of code and duplicate it with copy and paste. It's not very difficult. We just have to type just one line, not too much. If cells 1 1 HI, then active sheets no active sheet dot shapes HI fill for color RGB VB black. We just let the color H1 named. Very easy. I think you understand the logic. H1. We are first converting the name of the click the shape. Then we make simultaneous coloring of all shapes. For now, it's not working. Now all shapes are acting independently. And let's redden all again. Go to Visual Basic Interface. We just need to copy this line 8 times. Then yes, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H7, H8. It has been done for Hawaii right now. Let's go to selection pane. We see 3 more same cases here. And we must also make arrangements for them too. They are exactly the same. If A or A V2, we write the same codes like above. It's not different. Actually, we could copy. If says I just want to copy from the above. It's easier. 2 times because it was 2 regions, because VA, yeah, V1 and V2. Close it. If we are not clear why we did this, let's look at the states of Michigan. The states of Michigan consist of 2 parts. The other doesn't change when I click one. However, when we click one of the 2 shapes, it needs to be colored, both of them. Such problems arise in fragmented maps. We have to type a little bit macros. Let's write the code for Michigan too. Just fix the codes. Everything are same. It's not very difficult and troublesome. It's easy. M2. Okay. Do the same for New York too. N1, N2, and NY. Okay. and 2. I think everything is done. Just try it. Yes, the problem is now solved for Michigan. Let's read all again. Try for Hawaii. The problem was solved for Hawaii too. Read all again. New York. Yes, no problem for New York too. It works great. One more Michigan. Yes. There is another topic that we need to solve now. Only the province, only the state that is selected should be black. Others must remain red. There are two different ways to do this. Select all the shapes and group them. Let's name the group USA. Yes. They are now grouped. Let's open the code interface. Let's write a line of code at the beginning. Just one line. Active sheet, shapes. USA. Field for color. RGB. VB. Red. This code will ensure that the group named USA is completely red. Just one line. Let's try. Yes, it works perfectly as you see it. But we will do it in a different way. Because the process is not enough for us because of another process we have to do it. I will explain the method we will use in the next video.